The Drawing Toolbar is a powerful trading tool that allows you to effectively plot, label, and highlight important pivots on your trading chart. Before we begin, let's make sure your chart is ready with the right settings. 1. Open the trading page. In this tutorial, we will be tracking the BTC USD chart. 2. Adjust the size and dimension of the chart to your liking. Simply click and drag the horizontal or vertical bar located on the sides of this chart. 3. You can also choose different time frames, from weekly candles down to the minute candle. Double-click on any candle to change the style and layout, or even the chart's background settings. Once you're all set, enable the trading toolbar by clicking on this arrow at the bottom left of your trading chart. The side icon adds a whole range of options to your charting arsenal, including a market favorite, the trend line. Once you plot the trend lines, double-click on them to customize its color and thickness. You can even save your favorite functions for easy access. Simply click on the star icon right next to each tool option. To reset the chart, type Alt-R on your computer's keyboard, Option-R on a Mac, or simply choose to right-click on your mouse to find the reset button. Analyze current conditions and forecast trends with the indicators function here, hovering above your chart. There are plenty to choose from, but thanks to the Search tab, traders can easily find the specific indicator they're looking for, like the MACD or moving average commonly used among traders. The gear icon is where you find the settings, allowing traders to customize each input and style. Pro tip: the .MBTC line displays the mark price used to trigger liquidation of a trader's open position. That's definitely one line you want to pay attention to. By now, you have a brilliant strategy, something you're proud of and want to share with your friends, your family, or even your followers. The camera icon at the top right corner of this chart lets you save your work or share your best strategies with the world. Explore, trade, and enjoy the ride. Discover an all-new world of trading with ByBit's Drawing Toolbar. ByBit, next level trading.